The famous Japanese car manufacturer Suzuki has confirmed to bring the next generation of Alto next year for the Indian market. The Maruti Suzuki Alto is one of the highly popular hatchback car in the Indian market, and now it is ready to get updated. The new Alto will be built on the company's lightweight Heartect platform, which also underpins the Wagner and the Espresso. The new Alto has recently launched in the Japanese market. Suzuki has a plan to bring this new Alto in the middle of 2022 at the expected starting price of Rs 3 lakhs ex-showroom. Talking about the power, the Indian specifications of new Alto will retain the same engine options. BS6 complaint 796cc 3-cylinder petrol engine capable of producing 49 bhp of power and 69 Nm of peak torque. Suzuki will introduce the smart hybrid technology along with the engines to make it more fuel efficient. The new engine setup can be able to deliver the mileage of 27.7 kmpl. The new Alto will be available in CNG variants also, which can be able to generate 42 bhp of power and 60 Nm of peak torque. The engine will be mated to an optional 5-speed manual or 5-speed automatic transmission. Talking about the exterior design, the new Alto will get sportier rugged look in compared to the current model. Up front it will get LED headlights with inserted LED DRLs, stylish horizontal chrome line instead of front grille with Suzuki badging at the center, black air inlets, updated body colored front bumper and optional bumper mounted fog lights housing. The side profile will get power heated vermiums with indicated turn indicators, body colored door handles, tinted glass, large wheel arcs, body side molding and new set of crystal cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear profile will receive new set of horizontally placed tail lights, Suzuki badging at the center of the boot, regular top mounted antenna, rear washer defogger and rear wiper, high mounted emergency braking light and updated body color rear bumper. The interior of the car is expected to be updated with a number of updated features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new dashboard setup with dash mounted AC vents, electric power adjustable leather wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, smart meter instrument cluster with multi-information TFT display, 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, premium sound system, remote trunk opener, automatic climate control, wireless smartphone charger, push button start and stop, remote keyless entry, well cushioning heated seats for comfortable ride with adjustable driver seats and rear seats with 60/40 splitting options and bigger boot space. The new Alto is expected to be updated with a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, electric stability control, lane keeping assist, stagger alarm function, lane departure warning, preceding vehicle start notification function, high beam assist, seatbelt and door hazard warning system, dual front airbags, central locking, speed sensing automatic door lock, child safety lock, high speed alert and rear parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Thank you.